Our customer base is global. So let's posit that you're, for example, from the Pacific, and you're involved in some kind of a major project that'll happen in some deeply forested jungle. You've heard about a machine that is able to move a container in a very, very rough environment. You've heard about us, either you've seen our website or you've heard somebody tell you about us word of mouth. You contact us and you say, I'm interested in your product. Immediately you're going to be connected with our Director of Customer Solutions. Important in that is that we have unified everybody that touches the customer underneath one organization in the company. So from your first contact saying, I think I'm interested, all the way until delivery, the Director of Customer Solutions will take care of you. One of his people will be talking to you personally. We'll listen very carefully to what it is that you say is your usage profile, how many you want, what specific tasks you want, what unique requirements you have. Not everybody is going to use the wrench to just move containers. We're very proud of the fact that with a forklift kit and a sling kit, we can be the all-source mover in an immature environment. In other words, you name it, we can move it, and we'll move it with the wrench. We'll then transition from that initial design and meeting your intent into, where required, modifications in terms of buying the unique parts and building the piece of equipment if we're building it to you custom. When we put it together, we have a very talented team, about 30 people in our production team, that work together to either tear machines down if we're rebuilding them, or in this case, to build a machine from scratch. It takes about 45 days from when you enter the factory until we're through with a particular machine, assuming we've got everything it takes to get the job done when those 45 days start. We are then able to take the machine from assembly and put it through an exhaustive testing program. We have a team that is especially dedicated to evaluating a piece of equipment under usage conditions. We have a test track that is uniquely devoted to being able to do that, and we have a quality team that overwatches all of this. So when you get a machine, we have certified it either as a brand new product, or if you bought one of our used machines, an I-certified truck comes out of our process with a unique set of records that tells you expressly what has been done for your machine. It is either unique or custom, or follows our standard protocols. We then transition you to our transportation manager. Our transportation manager is the global expert on moving wrenches. So he's able to take a wrench, move it by land, by sea, or if necessary, and this is very unique normally for the military, move it by air. The wrench is unique in that it can actually be moved by any of these mechanisms with no disassembly. We'll get it to the other end, wherever it is that your point of use is, and normally we'll then do a handoff. The handoff is our technician looking your user or operator in the eye, ensuring that we've taken it off the transportation vehicle correctly, reassembled it correctly to make sure it's fully ready, checked it, made sure the operator that you're going to put in the cab has at least preliminary knowledge, and then if necessary, we'll then transition you, once you have the machine, into a training environment. We support everything with a warranty, and our warranty is proudly bumper to bumper. So whether it's an I-certified truck or it's a brand new truck, it comes with a warranty. It covers it from stem to stern for everything that happens to that piece of machine. We have a warranty team that essentially is on guard 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Those experts will respond to your phone call at any time to give you advice to make sure that there is something that we could fix over the phone. We'll do it. Where you need immediate help, you're going to get a custom delivery of a part, and where necessary, a technician along with it to help install the part and bring you up to an operational capability. So what you ought to get out of all this is the sense that our belief and confidence in our machine is total. We understand that when you're buying the machine, you're making a major commitment. Our commitment is just as important. It's mutual. We will ensure that the machine does what you need it to do in what is often very demanding and difficult environments where there are no roads, where frequently there's very limited infrastructure, supply networks are very, very fragile, so you're going to rely on this machine to do everything for you.